Queens, it's your girl Trina from Tropic Style Wax Studio. Now Sexy Smooth has this brand new wax. It is so purple and juicy, and I just had to do a review. This is their flavor, Purple Seduction, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. I've been seeing it all over TikTok. Now look at the consistency and look how purple it is. It's so freaking beautiful. I love the texture of it. A little goes a long way, and it also doesn't need to be too hot. Now, when I'm trying out waxes, I always sample it on my lower leg. Yes, she's hairy. It's the winter. Do not judge me. But you can see how quickly it's already dried. I always tap the little sides and where I have a little bit more of a puddle of wax just to make sure it's not too sticky. I use my stick, rip and flick. And look how sexy and smooth she is. This wax is no lie. Now I'm doing another application on my inner leg. You can see how juicy this is. I really like the consistency of it. I find that it didn't irritate my skin. It was actually one of the few waxes that did not give me a lot of breakouts or folliculitis. No matter what, I find on my upper thigh, my arms, I always get red reaction. And of course I had to do my knee. This is a little bit more of a coarser area for hair types. And you just flick and rip and voila, look at that. She's so juicy.